This is my DIY Fizz Fix. This got over 1 million views in a couple of days on Instagram. And I'm not gonna lie, it caused a lot of chaos. I had so many comments, I got restricted. So I am gonna clear everything up today. I'm gonna show you how to make it and how I use it. It's so easy to make. It's 3 ingredients, and I bet you already have them right now in your home, and you can start using this today. This is wonderful on stains in bathrooms, in kitchens. There's so many ways I use this, and it's a great alternative to not using bleach. We start with hydrogen peroxide. This is the brown bottle you get from the store. This is 3% hydrogen peroxide. You want to always make sure that this is fresh. And one way to know if it's fresh is look at the expiration date, but if it's not open, you can spray, and if it fizzes, it's fresh. If it doesn't fizz, then it's no good. It needs to be kept in a brown bottle. So I use a continuous spray bottle, but you're welcome to use a bottle from the store. I use a continuous spray bottle because it's a lot easier on my hands and easier to spray. So when you get a bottle from the store like this, you just get a sprayer that you can get out of another bottle. Okay, most of these are universal. It could be like a Windex bottle or anything. Most of them are universal. You just take the sprayer out and you put it in your hydrogen peroxide bottle, okay? So I also want to say that I use this. This is 12%, this is 3%. So I just take this and I dilute it so it's just like this. But I use the bigger 12% because I use this so much, and I use it for laundry, and it's fantastic for cleaning around the home. And this is a stronger version that you would dilute. So you just take your hydrogen peroxide and make sure you have a sprayer. And I add like about 3 to 5 drops of dish soap. You can use any kind of dish soap. I use suds, but you can use any kind of dish soap. I kind of prefer to use a clear dish soap, but that's just me. You can use any color dish soap that you have. And this is optional, the 3rd ingredient, but I really do like to add some essential oil for the scent and some cleaning properties in it. I prefer to use eucalyptus, tea tree, mint, stuff like that, but you're welcome to use any scent you like lemon is fantastic, orange is fantastic, or just not have a scent in it. Now that we have our Fizz Fix fixed up, let me show you what all I do with this. One of my #1 favorites for it is laundry stains. It works fantastic for blood stains, fantastic for urine stains, a lot of different stains, makeup stains. I use it all the time in the bathroom because it's better than bleach in my opinion. So like for my lungs, because you're in an enclosed shower, and when you're spraying bleach, it's a little harsh. So this is a great alternative to bleach, and it actually has been said to kill mold better because it kills it from the roots. And it's great on tile, bleach, showers. It also disinfects and kills germs. I also use it all around the toilet, in the toilet, all around the toilet. It's excellent for killing odor. I have a free natural cleaning recipes. That's kind of what got my video in trouble because it got so many comments, but I'm gonna leave the link below in the description so you can check it out and pick it up if you want one too. So in the kitchen, I always spray my cutting boards. You need to let it sit 10 minutes. You'll see it fizz and doing its thing. I also like to use it on my kitchen faucets. I just spray it on there and rub it off about once a week to keep them nice and clean. I also use this Fizz Fix to clean out refrigerators. It does a fantastic job. If you have any comments or questions, or you've actually used this, I would love to know your thoughts. Just leave them below and I respond to each and every one. Thank you for watching me today. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll see you next week. Bye now.